Alrighty, so it is Sunday afternoon. It's after 3 o'clock already. I don't know what time it is exactly. We are still in the midst of helping the kids with all of their moving stuff. And as you can hear in the background vaguely, we are babysitting little mister. And thank goodness I'm not black and blue yet, but we had a little incident in the restroom with little mister. And all I can say is I was trying to help him clean up and he was trying to help me clean up, and Oma got whacked in the nose with the toilet lid. Try not to spit out your coffee. I know. Only to me. Why? I just, I don't know. Anyway, I haven't gotten any knitting or anything done because we've had him most of the day. Hopefully I can get some done later, but we'll see. We're going to go for a walk right now and get some fresh air, since we're all sort of feeling better. And I'll be back. Morning, everybody. All right, so it is Monday morning, 8:06 a.m., April 20th. And I've already gotten playing with drawing video filmed, and all the video loaded to the desktop computer, which is only on ever when I need to edit because yeah. And I still have time to drink the rest of my coffee, so yay. Little mister's coming over for more babysitting. It's going to be another chaotic week because it's 2026. Why wouldn't it be? My nose is sore from blowing it every 2 seconds for days, and also getting hit in the face with the toilet seat lid. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to sit and relax for a little bit and then hang out with the grandson for the day. Yeah, that's it. That's all I can think of at the minute. I haven't had all my coffee. Can you tell? All right. I was feeling less congested yesterday, but I woke up this morning a little bit more congested. I don't know. It's the cold that'll never die. Yeah. All right, I'll be back. Hello, people. Yes, I'm in the art room. Yes, I'm in my chair. I've been knitting. Trying to film something and got interrupted by the daughter. It's just 2026 is the year of chaos. I'm telling you. Okay. Anyway, it's late in the afternoon on Wednesday. This is the first time I've gone on camera. What time? It's 3:30. Started off the day doing some chores, setting up the downstairs to run our robot vacuum, which is done. I had a counseling session. We had a retirement meeting, and then I came in here and I had lunch and I knit another one of my washcloths. I also have printed out I have some amigurumi I need to make, so I've printed out some patterns. Yes, I'm doing some from Inside Out. I also need to find my bald eagle because I might need to make him again 6 more times. Yeah. Anyway, I cut out another, I'll just show you the finished one. I cut out a few more of these little tiny bags, which I showed last week. I really like the little tiny ones, so I'm going to make a couple more of them. And tomorrow, I'm going to do that tomorrow. Before I end the day today, I am going to do a glue book page. And I'm also going to be working on another fabric wall sculpture thing. So I'm gathering bits and pieces over here, and I may alter this and tape it and glue it up and let that dry. But yeah, it's a lot. It's always a lot. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. emergency phone call to pick up the grandson at daycare. His dad is out of town already. Mommy's working. So yeah. Anyway, it's all good. I'll be back. Do this when I got the emergency phone call from daughter. Can you go pick up the grandson at daycare? Because again, she's doing the single mom thing right now. Son-in-law's in California. So anyway, now I'm winded. So we're gonna try to do film a story time with Oma for grandson. He does a lot of traveling with mommy and daddy, and I just thought it might be something he might like to, you know, watch on the tablet or something rather than always watching a movie. So we're gonna read these and I'll be back. Hello everybody. Do I look tired? Yeah, because I am tired. It is Thursday, April 23rd. It's just about 11 o'clock. I've been up since early this morning again. Furnace people came by for routine maintenance. That took a little bit. And then once they left, I started some chores, and I am working on a large paintbrush wall sculpture. And I got the handle made. It's drying here. It is made out of a wrapping paper tube, masking tape, and some paper mache newspaper. It's gonna dry. It's gonna be a wall sculpture, so it's not gonna be an actual usable paintbrush. And I will vlog about it and or film it as I start putting it together. Right now I just wanted to get the handle done off camera and get it really sturdy, and so working on that. I'm gonna do some sewing today and all of that jazz. I don't know yet if I'm doing another emergency pickup of the grandson. I have no idea. Kind of assuming I might be. I found a pattern for free. Then I want to try to make a top, but I have to search around and see what kind of yarn I have. I don't want to make it out of acrylic. I think right now I'm going to have an early lunch because I've been up a long time. Now I'm hungry again. All right. I think that's it for the minute. I just need to sit down, eat something, have some vitamin drink. Yeah, I'll be back. I made 3 more of the little extra small clam bags. I really like this particular size. It's great for all your little crochet, knitting, or sewing notions in a project bag. This is a really good size. So, yeah. And we know I like bags, right? Yeah, it's a thing. Anyway, our paintbrush is still drying. That is going to be putting things away, sorry. That is going to be a probably not today project because that's paper mache glue has got to dry and that's gonna take a while. But I have some knitting to do, so I'm gonna sit and do that. I may change out my notions bag because I don't know, maybe. All right, I'll be back. All right, so it is, I don't know, 7:30 p.m. I did get the handle of the paintbrush wall sculpture done, sort of, ish. I didn't film any of it, but I will, go through it in a vlog clip you'll see shortly. But I had to stop working because daughter and grandson came over because people wanted to look at their house already that they have for sale, and it just went on the market a few hours ago. And it sounds like one of them might want to put an offer in. Cross your fingers. So anyway, all right. Everybody's gone home. They were here for a while. They're going to be back tomorrow right before lunch because more people want to look at the house and they've got to go somewhere, so they're coming here, which is fine. I think daughter and grandson and I are going to go out and go thrifting, which will be great. Yeah, but I'm going to enjoy the peace and quiet while I can. Bob is on the way home from his Masonic Lodge meeting, and I've already had 1 cup of tea, but I will have another one when he gets here, and it's all good. It's all good. Chaotic, but good. All right, I'm going to do some knitting here while I can enjoy the peace and quiet. I am very happy, by the way, with how the paintbrush handle's coming out. I need to work on the bristles part of it. I'm not going to make it actual bristles. It's not going to be it's a sculpture. It's not a real paintbrush. And do I think I make a palette to go with it? Maybe. We'll see how happy I am with the brush first. We'll see. All right, that's it for right now. I'll be back. Everybody, it's been at least 48 hours, I think, since I picked up the camera. I'm pretty sure I haven't picked it up since Thursday, and it's Saturday. Because the kids are moving, and the old house has gone on the market Thursday, and it hit the market with like an atomic bomb, and it's 20 people have already gone through, 20 groups, and there's more tomorrow, more Monday. So I have spent a lot of time babysitting. Bob's been helping move stuff in between visits at the old house to the new house. Yep. I haven't had time to craft much or pick up the camera or anything. I have been making more washcloths, and to my delight and shock and surprise, daughter loves them, and she's taken some already for her new house. Yay! Yay. Also, funny thing, I did tell you guys about my nose. If you watch the clip till now, you know what I'm talking about. So one of grandson's favorite things, see that red mark on my head? I made the mistake of doing this once. Yeah, and now he wants me to do it all the time.
Well, don't do it here.
So, anyway, we have, where is she?
Right there. She's sitting
there she is. There.
She's just sitting
we have her. So we're going to go take her for a WALK. And real quick, and then come back and just sit and relax. I'm not completely over my cold, and my sinuses are hurting. This side is uncomfortable. So anyway, all right, we're gonna go get that done, and I'll be back to get some knitting done, because you know, it's all I can do right now. I'll be back. Am I finishing my morning coffee on Sunday? Yes. Did I forget to close the vlog? Also yes. It's just been crazy chaotic. I am working on more of the knitted dishcloths. It's the one thing I can do in amongst all the extra babysitting and everything else that we're doing right now to help out the kids. And still trying to get over my cold. Like, yeah. So anyway, it's been a nutty week, and I am still able to find a few minutes here and there to do some knitting or something else. And if I can, you can. Anyway, there are some things coming up. I don't know how they're going to play out, but we'll see. And if you're interested, stay tuned. And yeah, that's it for this week. I hope you found it interesting, helpful, all those things. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And don't forget the most important thing, besides like, share, and subscribe. Go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.